Hello, everybody. It's Randy with Cupcake Organic Farms, Texas City. It is January 20th. And my goodness, we know last week was our first freeze for the season, and that was not good. I had my greenhouse stuffed with all my exterior plants, my aloes, things like that. But I just want to give you guys a quick update. As you can see, I'm laying next to a bunch of beauties. Wow, look at you guys. Big boy tomatoes. Oh, I gotta love it. But I'm gonna spin you around. We're gonna give you an update. Oh man, as you can see, my tomatoes are going into flower, so it won't be long. And I did transplant these from these smaller bags to the big pots just because they were getting an amazing amount of root. So I love that. The only thing I'm not excited about is my bell peppers. They're just like taking their sweet time to grow. And man, we're just, 3 weeks, 4 weeks from heading back outside? My goodness. But hey, this is the beauty. I love growing. Encourage you guys to do the same. And yes, my wife and I are making homemade fish tacos tonight. And look at that gorgeous cilantro. We'll be cutting that. So yeah, just a quick update in the garden, folks.